Welcome. If you're looking to cut down on distractions and stay focused while using LinkedIn, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to disable push notifications for messages from candidates on LinkedIn, specifically using the latest update on your PC. Let's get started. First, open LinkedIn in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're on your LinkedIn homepage, look to the top right corner. You'll see your profile picture with the word Me next to it. Click on Me to open the drop-down menu. From here, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your account settings page. On the left side of the screen, you'll see several options. Click on Notifications. This is where you can manage all the notifications you receive from LinkedIn, including those related to hiring and job posts. Next, scroll through the list of notification categories until you find Hiring Someone. Click on it to expand more options, then select Job Posts. Here, you'll see a section specifically for messages from candidates. Now, this is the key step. Look for the toggle switch next to Push Notifications. If the switch is blue or marked as on, it means push notifications are currently enabled. Click the toggle to turn it off. Once it's grayed out or marked as off, you've successfully disabled push notifications for messages from candidates. With this setting turned off, you'll no longer receive pop-up notifications on your desktop for new candidate messages related to your job posts. Don't worry, these messages will still appear in your LinkedIn inbox, so you won't miss anything important. You're just stopping the real-time interruptions. That's it. You've now taken control of your LinkedIn notifications, making your workflow a little quieter and more focused. If you ever want to adjust other notification types, just repeat these steps and explore the different categories under notifications. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more streamlined LinkedIn experience.